Hello students, welcome to Noble Digital Class. We look forward to your utmost attention and dedication towards your class at your Noble platform. Using of technology in excess may be harmful for your physical and mental health. To reduce its aftermath, yoga and meditation is recommended. Students should practice these regularly. Please watch the video for 30 to 40 minutes only. Then take 5 to 10 minutes break. Close your eyes and recall the content taught by your teacher. This short break will be quite relaxing for your eyes.
Hello children, welcome to our virtual class. This is Prajapati and the chapter Finite and Non-Finite. Yesterday we had the concept and this concept was very easy guys, that how to identify the finite and non-finite verbs, right? And today we have the concept types of non-finite verbs. We'll learn that how there are a few types and how they work in a sentence and how they are used. So let us have a small recap of the yesterday's concept. Finite and non-finite. Finite is verb. What is finite guys? If you remember that if we have the tense agreement with the verb, right? Tense agreement with the verb, or if the verb has tense, or if the verb is changing as per the subject and tense, that verb is finite. That was simple. And non-finite verb which was same in all conditions, even we are changing the tense or the subject or the person of the subject and number, the verb was same, not changeable, that verb was non-finite, right? And we do have all non-finite verbs types, even that there are certain types and there are certain non-finite verbs we have to take today. Okay, see, non-finite verbs are of three kinds. Number one, infinitives. Number two, gerunds. And number three, participles, right? Three types of non-finite verbs are here, and their formation will see into the sentence that how they remain same even we change the tense or the subject of the sentence, right, of the verb. So first of all, let's see the infinitives. Infinitives. What are infinitives? If you remember, yesterday we had a small talk on this. Infinitives. An infinitive is a non-finite verb that preceded by two. Examples: to do, to speak, to discuss. Mean simple funda it is guys, 2 plus v1. 2 plus v1. Whenever we have this formation in a sentence, this formation will be called infinitives. What do we call it? Infinitive, right? Let's see the example. Do you wish to eat your supper now? I came here to discuss the matter with you. Now you can see that how they are same here. Same how? This is the tense do you wish, right? Present indefinite and interrogative it is. Now change the sentence. Change the tense. That did you wish? If you write did you wish to eat your supper now, then to eat is same. The do change into did because of the tense, but this is not changing, right? I came here to discuss. I was coming here to discuss. If you change the tense, then to discuss will remain same, right? So the verb which is remaining same, it is non-finite, and the type of non-finite as it is in 2 plus v1, so we call it infinitive. What do we call it? Infinitives. Clear it is? Next, one more concept here. Bare infinitives guys. One infinitive is 2 plus v1. Bare infinitive what? When we have no to and the verb, extra verb has been used as non-finite and not changing, that verb will be also non-finite and bare infinitive. Bare is what? Like without something. Bare, right? Having nothing. So here without to, if the verb is used without to and remaining same in a sentence, that will be bare infinitive. See, the infinitives that is used without to is called bare infinitive. Bare infinitives follow all the rules that ordinary infinitives follow. Same rules are here. Like the rules which are applicable for infinitives, same rules for bare infinitive. Right? Let's see the sentences how. I'll see. Uh, After model auxiliaries, where it is used. After model auxiliaries, model shall, will, such as shall, will, should, would, can, may, might, could, might, must, all the models. After all the models, if we always use V1, even we are changing the tense. See here, I must go. I must go. It is must help model verb, and it is V1 has been used here. Now suppose if we are changing the tense, right? Then if I change the tense, that like in direct speech, if I make it he must changes into had to and go, right? So he had to go. Now it is go same, not change. It came into the infinitive instead of bare infinitive, but it is same, main thing is. So with model auxiliaries we use bare infinitive without to. I must go now, you can borrow this book, can after borrow, right? And if you change this tense, you can borrow. If I change you could borrow, past tense, then could borrow, borrow is same in first form, right? Next, after verbs such as bid, feel, hear, know, let, make, see, and watch. After these verbs, we use bare infinitive. These verbs we have to learn, guys. The teacher saw him. The teacher saw him climb the stairs. You can see this climb is without to, right? This saw is finite and this climb is non-finite. Now, if you change the tense, teacher sees him climb the tree. Like if you change in present tense, that the climb is same, not changing. So this climb without t is bare infinitive. Why it is without to? Because this verb has been used here. Saw, see, this verb. Because of this verb, this remain same. Jishan heard him speak very loudly. Now speak without to. Why? Because of this verb here. Okay. I felt something slip past me. Slip. It is without to. Why? Because of this verb felt, feel. Okay. That's why. So this is the second concept. Third is after had better. Had better. Would rather. These are the phrases. Sooner than. Rather than. Right. With these phrases especially we do not follow 2 plus V1 only. Only V1 bare infinitive. You had better arrive on time. You had better, this phrase, and arrive without to bare infinitive. Seema would rather climb the stairs than take the lift. Would rather. Rather climb the stairs than, rather than. So climb is bare infinitive. Okay. Next is after then and but. When but means except. Except means apart, right? Except. Like she did nothing but study the entire day. She did nothing but study, So after but you can see study bare infinitive, right? The mechanic did more damage than repair. Then, after then and but, right? So we but and then these two also when except, their meaning is except, apart. The mechanic did more damage than repair. Except repairing he damaged, like repairing he didn't, except like leaving without repairing he damaged the machine. So that is the meaning here. Okay. So but and then. After verbs such as dare and need in negative sense. Dare and need, these two verbs, when they are used in negative sense. See here. I dare not look into your eyes. I dare not. Dare not is a negative. Now look is the bare infinitive. As in model, I never dare not to look. Never I dare not to look. It is wrong, guys. Without to. See the use. I dare not look without to. You need not think without to. If you use you need not to think, it is wrong. Okay. So see the another concept, guys. Joining sentences using infinitives. Using the infinitive, we have to join the sentence. See the examples. We can join sentences by using infinitives. I know your results. I am very happy. Now two sentences are given here. Okay, so I am very happy to know your result. How easy it is. I know your result and I am very happy. I am very happy to know your result. How you joined? The subject was same. Actually the subject was same, so the same subject was performing two actions, so we added the verbs and we made the subject common, right? This is the way we have to. In the above example, we have joined the two sentences by using the infinitive to know, right? The adverb to can also be used along with infinitives to join two sentences. TOO, that also can be used here in infinitives. Like how? The man is very cold and he cannot walk properly. How to add this sentence? The man is too old to walk properly. The meaning is same of both, guys. Meaning is same. The man is very old and that's why he can't walk properly, and here also the same meaning. The man is too old to walk properly. The man is too old that he can't walk properly. The same meaning is here. So how here the infinitive has been used here, to walk. Okay, so that's the concept, guys. Now let us have the exercise to be done here. Combine the following pairs of sentences using infinitives. The first one has been done for you guys. I have no interest in politics. I must admit it frankly. So here they see, you can, to be frank, I have no interest in politics. So this idea has been written here and this idea has been taken here, to be frank. I must admit it frankly. I must admit it frankly, that means to be frank, right? I have no interest in. So to be frank, this infinitive has been used here. So guys, the next remaining questions as in the exercise you have to do in the homework. Try to work on those sentences, those 10 sentences. Tomorrow in the class I will discuss those answers and then you will check yourself that you are right or wrong. But these questions you have to solve in your notebook as in homework. So it's a task for you guys, right? It's not like that I will give you the answers right here and you will copy the same, but first you try to solve them. Tomorrow I will discuss the answers right here. Okay, so these 10 questions you have to do in the homework. That's it. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope you understood the concept and you'll feel comfortable solving these questions. I know and I'm sure, right? So and tomorrow I'll discuss the answers, then you will check your answers. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe at your home.